and I will choose my someone is the dog. Yeah, here you can put maximum 3 character, and you want the include tag in the invoice invoice and put how many percent here, and normally is the okay, around 10%, and choose the English for choose the language for this application, and for now we only support two languages is the English and Vietnamese. Okay, I put dollar here for my case. Okay, updates setting. Okay, back. And the second we need to go to a full style and add at the main details. Pizzas, drink, we I like Vietnamese food and I will visit Vietnamese food. Yes. It depends on what kind of your restaurant, and if I put more style here, maybe put some like pros and covered like seafood. Okay, and let's go to food, and you see what the food style will appear in here for the future. Yes, I will show the image. First I will add the beef steak. I like beef steak. Beef steak, how much for beef steak? I don't know, $10. I think it's quite more small, $15. For now it's the discount, and I give 10% discount. For first is it favorite foods? I know, yes, I have the sample description here. Okay, I will add more. This one is chicken chop. Is more cheaper, $7. Man, and I don't want to give any discount for this. And for description you can put like chili or like what the inside, what are inside them. Okay, for now I like, okay, you see Vietnamese food, Vietnam is food noodle with chicken and solar ones. Okay, put some description here as first, and what it is also Vietnamese noodle, but with beef 10, beef more expensive there, like chicken. Yeah, I would 10. It's favorite foods. Okay, now I add desserts. Easy bánh mì, Vietnamese food, Vietnam with the $4. desserts flavors. Okay, I add drink. I don't know what drink is this, but I go for soft drink. Tubular. Oh no, really. Okay, and I want to update something. Here I want to choose main to the Vietnamese foods and updates. Okay. Mm, okay, and next we go to setup the table. For example, your restaurant has two levels, one and one outside, and the first I will add the takeaway. Trees. It's gonna add level one. Table level you have. Six. Level two. And six outside. Memory table. Three. And VIP room. Oh, sorry. Two. Okay. Now we go table and see. Wow. Job. How to generate the table for you. You don't need to add every single table. Yes, yeah. I want to choose the main one, beef steak. For the chicken, well done. Yes. Chicken chop. No, I don't want. I want with a with noodle with beef. So that the beef day. Okay. And some people cannot eat onions, and I would no onion. Right. I want bánh mì. Yes. No chili. Okay, I want drink. Two drink. Number one. Like. Okay, I want to change. I want to change. Maybe I want to update to two. Yeah. We will go here and we see all the item you just add it in. Okay. I want to change updates. I want to it's small Vietnamese noodle. I click here, press here, and put more best and update. And you can send it to the kitchen here. Yes, and send. Yeah, here we go here and you see kitchen which is the new first. Or you can click here to send all the item. Yes. Okay. And also if they don't want they can change and we can remove it. Actually we can remove in new order confirm join, but it depends on you allow them to cancel the order or not. And once you confirm you can okay move to doing. It means the food is processing. Mhm. Okay. Here we have two menu for one is for waiter, one for the kitchen. Kitchen will see all the food have confirmed. Uh, in the waiter, you don't. For now, you cannot see the food here because it does stated in the chicken, in the kitchen. Yeah, once it's done, yeah, it means it's ready for collect. And waiter will go to the ready, and they will see their food. The food is ready here. Mm. Okay, I want to go to do this first and ring. Yeah, ring is fast. I move it to ready, and waiter will go to ready and pick up and deliver deliver for customer. Yes, move move. Yes, nice. Okay, wait to the table on. Yeah, yeah, it's same thing. And in here, um, you can see the bill. What I quite cheap. Here you can pay print or say in the you can print this uh, receipt, it invoice, or you can share to the other um, just application like Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and once you click pay chart, it is it means which means the customer will already pay the money for you. And for example, like these guys, uh, they don't want to take away, they want to sit it at your restaurant, and you can move it like okay. They choose table 5. Okay, I move, yes, I move table 5, and as you see here, table 5 is includes all the item that you have choose in table 1 and 4. And for example, one more customer go in a restaurant, and I see it as um, table 7. Okay, I choose the beef steak, I choose drink. Okay, and we say is on chickens. Yes. Okay. After that day, table 5 and table 7 is friends, and they want to sit together. And yes, you can go to the table 7 and choose move to table 5, and it will must on the item that you have you order here. Yes, you can see. Uh, um, and when they okay, for now you finish the order. When you click the pay button, you don't need to release on the item here, like the status no need is the status not required to deliveries, and you only need paste. When you paste, is you mark on the item is the deliveries. Yes, and when you see, yeah, after that, table 7 is okay. They have the way and when it is free transition here. You can see the table 5 is 61 dollar. Yes, okay, that's just thing. Yes, all the 8 ago. No months. Thank you.